You guys, welcome back. A few years ago, I made a classic Laab recipe video, an aromatic meat salad. Today I'm making another variation using beef and omasum. It's herbaceous, umami, nutty, and loaded with aromatics. Let's get started. Prepare aromatics. I have crushed minced lemongrass, minced galangal, thinly sliced shallots, red chilies, and minced Kaffir Lime Leaves. Smells vibrant. We'll use these soon. For more aromatic toppings, mint and scallion. After washing, allow them to air dry. Also, dried chilies which I fried on low heat until crispy. And jasmine rice that I toasted on a dry pan on medium heat until developing a deep color like this. Grind it into a powder. Incredible nutty aroma. You can go finer than this, but I like a bit of texture. This is omasum. It's part of a cow's stomach. It has a unique texture and flavor. To clean, add cornstarch and salt. Massage it in. Let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, give it a few good washes until the water runs clear. Bring some water to a boil on medium heat. In goes crushed lemongrass and galangal. This is separate from the one that we prepared earlier. When it boils, in goes the omasum, and boil for 10 minutes. Remove it and discard this broth. When it cools down, slice thinly and set aside. For main protein, use your favorite cut of beef that's not too fatty. Cut it into thin slices against the grain, not too big. On your lowest heat setting, in goes water and the beef. Fish sauce. Stir until the beef is cooked to your desired doneness. It's important to keep the heat low and be patient so that the beef remains tender. I like a bit of pink here, and these juices we'll be using set aside. To make the dressing, in goes sugar, MSG for magical umami, fish sauce, I'm using 2 kinds of seasoned unfiltered fish sauce for a more complex umami taste. I recommend you using 2 of your favorite brands. I also have a video, which I'll link, on how to make these seasoned sauces. In goes the juices from the beef. Followed by freshly squeezed lime juice. In goes the lemongrass, galangal, Kaffir Lime Leaves, shallots, and red chilies. As much roasted chili flakes as you like. Beef and Omasum. Mix well. Toasted rice powder. Taste and adjust the flavors to your liking. In goes the mint and scallion. And garnish with the crispy fried dried chilies. Here we have it, laab with beef and omasum. Nutty, sour, spicy, herbaceous, and refreshing. It can be eaten at room temperature or as a cold salad. I like it cold. This would go great with sticky rice, but I don't have any at the moment, so it's also good with freshly steamed jasmine rice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button to show some love, and I'll see you on the next video. Be safe, everyone.